Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Ibiza, Spain. The owner of this vehicle came to us looking for a custom Bronco that appeared like a $30,000 vehicle, when in reality it is a patina paint modeled after a genuine sun-baked Bronco. Add in our now patented convertible soft top, this is the perfect island vehicle. This truck features an OEM chassis, Castano Italian leather. It even has a secret compartment hidden inside. The owner is a professional DJ in the music scene of Ibiza, so we added our top-of-the-line studio sound to round out the package. Now, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.